Hi guys, Andy here. Now it might look a little bit like I'm preparing for some kind of arts and crafts session, but I'm going to try and show you an app by Microsoft called Office Lens. Simply, it is quite a simple app. It's a camera, but you might be able to see it tries to detect, look, do you see a box appearing around my sheet of paper that I've got there? It tries to detect a sheet of paper or a whiteboard or even a computer screen, and it will flatten out the image and square it up for you. So I'm going to write a couple of bits on here. This is to test Office Lens. I'm going to write it in just a bigger pen as well so we can see the difference. This is a thicker pen with some scruffy writing. So like I said, that could be a whiteboard just as easy as a sheet of paper. Now the problem I'm going to have is so I presume you could see I took that at quite an angle, and look at that, straight away it's squared it up. There's some slight curling. I can see what's going on there. Oh, that might be because I think that was because of the limitations of the camera being here, I couldn't get back far enough to literally get the whole sheet of paper, so it's cut off where it was cut off. But I think you get the point. Look how it's straightened that up from the angle that I had that at. It's just straightened it on up. Let's do that once more, just so you can see. Delete image. I'm going to come around to this angle here. I'm going to really make it quite difficult. If you can see that. Oh, in fact, I almost missed off the bottom of the this is. So yeah, you see how that, and again, that was me, but it's the angle it's managed to square that up from is really quite impressive. And like I say, it will do that to a whiteboard, it will do that to a computer screen. So I had a sheet of figures, and I actually intentionally, to test it, took it from quite an angle, and it squared it up, and all the numbers, although they were very small on the screen, looked perfect. Now, the only, what you could say is a downside, now I can save it to gallery on the device, which I suppose is fine as a default, but it's all the Microsoft stuff. I would quite like, I'd like Dropbox, to be honest, but there you go. I'm getting more used to OneDrive, so especially if you're gonna go in with Microsoft, why not use OneDrive and OneNote and such? So there you go. Quite a simple app. I'll give you one last demonstration where I'll try and I'm going to do it from higher up. So you can just see the angle there. Boom. Perfectly squared. I think it's really quite impressive. So it is a simple app, but at the same time very handy for you at work when you've just finished a meeting perhaps and all your notes are scribbled up on a whiteboard or a flip chart. You can pull your phone. You don't have to, because I get quite OCD about it, trying to square up the edges, and maybe I'll crop it away afterwards. This does it all for you. So if you're a bit of an OCD person, slight OCD person like myself, very handy application. Free in the Android Play Store by Microsoft. Office Lens. My name's Andy. I'll catch you all again soon.